and I need some help from you guys on this song, okay? So every time I say get tagged, you guys have to say get tagged, okay? So get tagged, get tagged. And every time I say heat, there's a process that involves heating and cooling. So every time I say heat, you guys say cool. Right? So I'm saying heat, cool. All right, we're ready.
So what was tack? What is it? Get back. Cut.
There are like 3 songs, right?
It's a 5.
5?
It's a 5. Just like 15 minutes long.
Yeah, I know.
It should move.
The excitement is building. You guys are ready. Any AP biology in the house? Regular bio in the house? Yeah.
Hello.
Where are my students? All my students. I have to see about some extra credit for this.
AP Chem is big.
Yeah, Miss Jackie, credit.
You can still do your homework though, Sarah. You need a ladder. Hands up. So you need the G. I can amplify it for you with my little machine. So get tapped. Synthesize it like that. Get tapped. Synthesize it like that. I can copy and paste it. Those polymerases will get to the issue. Get tapped. Synthesize it like that. Get tapped. Synthesize it like that. So be careful with your primers. I don't want to nick in the backbone. Don't want to crack low. Get the primers right so you can replicate the right zone. Want a sequence? Yup. 10 T-cents? Yup. Then you gotta cool it down like Hogan defense. But then bring it back. That's why you need tax. Separate the strands of more heat than a shack attack. But this is only amplifying. Fire with the protein. Inside a plasmid, then you go on a transmit. Get that magic. Go ahead and spice. Set your restriction site. And your DM, I can tell you if you did it right. Come on, you know how cool this type of technology be. Master in the tools of biotechnology. Cool, so you need the G. I can amplify it for you in my little machine. So get tapped. Synthesize it like that. Get tapped. Synthesize it like that. I can copy and paste it. It's okay to nature, get tapped. Synthesize it like that, get tapped. Synthesize it like Meiosis makes candy. Meiosis makes candy. Meiosis, excuse me. Meiosis makes candy. Attention. Meiosis makes candy. Hi kids, do you like hybrids? Yeah. Want a cross too? Look at the flowers, 3/4 a violet. Okay. And the other quarter might have more of a white tinge. Try to keep the null hypothesis with a context. But they heterozygotes and as far as square zygotes. My day is so dramatic, I'll be in Cortez's slideshows. But I think he says, this woman's why ain't you published, man? You rubbish. Well, since age 10, I've used all of my patience to show that alleles separate the law of segregation. Got pissed off with the dominant plant and test crops. Found out the offsprings, round seeds have been lost. Take a terminal short planters, call axial short ends. Each trait goes 3-to-1, it's independent assortment. So when somebody tells you that you look like each your parents, tell them I'm the one who show particular inheritance. That was from Punnett Squares, that's right. You knew what we were doing. Punnett Square, 3-1. All right, we got a couple more songs for you. This one is about how we take our food and we turn it into the energy that we use on a daily basis. Anyone know what that is?